As shown in diagram, a projectile is thrown with the initial velocity of 50 meter per second at an angle 53 degree with horizontal at time t is equal to 0 from origin. At t1 time, projectile is at A point, and at t2 time, projectile is at B point. Here A and B are at a height of 75 meter from the ground. Then find the distance between A and B point. Take g is 10 meter per second square. So first of all, find out x component and y component of initial velocity, that is 50 cos 53 and 50 sin 53. So ux is 30 meter per second and uy is 40 meter per second. At point A and at point B, x component of velocity is same as the x component of initial velocity, because x component of velocity is constant in projectile motion. So Vx is equal to Ux is equal to 30 meter per second. At point A, Vy square minus Uy square is equal to 2. A is minus G into H. Substitute Uy is 40, G is 10 here, and H is 75. So by simplification, Vy is equal to plus 10 meter per second and Vy is equal to minus 10 meter per second. At point A, velocity is Va and y component is positive. At point B, velocity is Vb, y component is negative. So plus 10 meter per second is the y component of velocity at point A, and minus 10 meter per second is the y component of velocity at point B. Now at point A, Vy is equal to Uy plus Ay t1, where t1 is the time required to travel from O to A point and t2 is the time required to travel from O to B point. So Vy is equal to 10, Uy is 40, Ay is equal to minus 10. By simplification, t1 is 37. At point B, Vy is equal to Uy plus Ay t2. Vy is minus 10, Uy is 40, Ay is minus 10. By simplification, t2 is 5 seconds. So change in time or time interval between A and B point, that is 5 minus 3 is 2 seconds. So distance between A and B point, delta x or AB is equal to Ux into delta t. So 30 into 2. So distance between A and B is 60 meter. Thank you.